Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW X4 service light. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. We'll cover identifying the warning, preparing your car, and performing the reset quickly. Keeping up with these alerts is essential for maintaining your BMW's health. It's a valuable skill for any owner to ensure their vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. Before we begin, make sure your BMW X4 is parked securely and the engine is off. Next, insert your key fob into the ignition slot. Now, press the Start/Stop button just once without touching the brake pedal. This will turn on the vehicle's electrical systems and illuminate the dashboard, but the engine will not start. This is the correct initial state for accessing the service menu. With the ignition on, locate the small odometer reset button on your instrument cluster. Press and hold this button for approximately 10 seconds until the service menu appears. Once the menu is visible, release the button. Now, repeatedly press the same button to scroll through the various service items. When you find the specific service you want to reset, hold the button down again until Reset appears, then confirm by holding it once more until Reset Successful is displayed. After the reset, turn off your BMW's ignition completely. Then, restart the engine to verify that the service light has successfully turned off. It should now be clear from your dashboard. Remember to record the date of this service, reset in your maintenance log for future reference. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to simplify your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a fantastic way to keep your floors spotless with minimal effort. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum, along with other great deals, in the description below. It's truly a game changer for busy households.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.